Hello everyone, this lecture video is all about hormonal control of carbohydrate metabolism. So, a second major method for regulating carbohydrate metabolism besides enzyme inhibition by metabolism is through hormonal control here. Among others, there are three hormones. These are the insulin, glucagon, and epinephrine that affect the carbohydrate metabolism. Let us start with the insulin. This is a 51 amino acid that is produced by the beta cells of pancreas. So, don't be confused, beta cells are just cells that is found in pancreas that is in charge with the production of insulin. So, this insulin promotes the uptake and utilization of glucose by cells. Therefore, the function or principal function is to lower the blood glucose level. And you can also find this in lipid metabolism. So, the release of insulin is triggered by high blood glucose level. The mechanism for this insulin action involves insulin binding to protein receptors on the outer surfaces of cells, which facilitates the entry of glucose into the cells. Insulin also produces an increase in the rates of glycogenesis, glycolysis, and fatty acid synthesis. So, this insulin is at the core of the metabolic disorder, diabetes, which is either the body does not produce enough insulin or the body cells do not respond properly to the insulin that is produced. And the next we have here the glucagon. This is a 29 amino acid that is produced in the pancreas by alpha cells. Then alpha cells are just endocrine cells located in the pancreas, which is responsible for the production of glucagon. So, glucagon is released or triggered when blood glucose levels are low. Its principal function is to increase blood glucose concentrations by speeding up the conversion of glycogen to glucose, which is glycogenolysis, and gluconeogenesis in the liver. So, the effects of glucagon are opposite of insulin. And the next, we have here epinephrine, which is commonly known as adrenaline, that is released by adrenal glands in response to anger, fear, or excitement. The functions of epinephrine are similar to glucagon's, which is the stimulation of glycogenolysis. But then the primary target of this epinephrine are the muscle cells, where energy is needed for quick action, which is known commonly as fight or flight response. So that is all for the hormonal control of carbohydrate metabolism.